What are we making today?
We're making crystal aquarium.
Okay, so growing crystals is actually, well, we don't even know because neither of us have done it before. But it appears from reading the directions that it can be slightly dangerous. So there's a number of things required before you start. So we're going to list those off for you now.
Okay.
The first thing that we need, obviously, is the kit itself. The next thing we need is
the aquarium. Duh.
Disposable gloves.
2 magic rock growing solution bottles.
Otherwise known as sodium silicate. This is the stuff you have to be careful with. This is the reason we wear all the safety gear.
Then we need the magic rocks, which are inside of here.
Crystal rocks.
Of course, we need directions. You need these. If you don't got these, then you're probably gonna die. Okay, so we've got the yellow, purple, green, and blue.
Place the rocks inside the aquarium, keeping them separated so they grow tall. Move the rocks around with a disposable spoon or straw and avoid letting them touch the walls. Put on a pair of disposable gloves. Then empty the magic rock growing solutions into the glass jar.
This is the scary part, you guys. You need to be careful so that this doesn't splash into our eyes.
If this spills, it's bad news.
We can't get it on absolutely anything.
It burns! Don't!
Ooh, I kind of want to touch it. The clear slime, just underactivated.
Pour 3 cups or 24 fluid ounces of lukewarm water
Take this.
into the mixture and use a disposable spoon to stir until the sediment disappears. I'll just use the straw. Okay. Pour the mixture into the aquarium. Did your rocks shift? No worries. Just use the disposable utensil to reposition. Remember to never touch the mixture with your hands. Step 5. Let your rocks grow.
Yeah. That's it?
Where's that song? Chacarron. Chacarron.
Yeah.
Chacarron, chacarron, chacarickety-roll.
Chacarron, 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 Chacarron. Chacarron.
In the candy plane, in the candy flow. I'm in the dance, in the chacarron, in the candy flow. In the screw, under the can and the guinea flow. Macaroni toe, in the guinea flow. I'm in the time, in the chacarron, in the can and then I'm in the guinea flow. Then I'm in the guinea flow.